So today at the table, I'm looking at the Asus TUF Gaming FX505DT, but this is also relevant for a few other in the model lineup. So be it the DD or the DU. So this particular machine pretty much has a Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 processor with a GTX 1650 or 1660 in it. And one of my friends had noticed that he was getting very poor gameplay on it, or frame rate, and would put on Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and that would get about probably between 120 to 130 FPS at native res. I can't remember what graphics detail we had it set on, but as soon as Windows would proceed to do the updates, it would cripple the performance by probably about 40%. Granted, he was mainly seeing this on Rainbow Six Siege, as that was his preferred game to play. But after a bit of troubleshooting, he managed to narrow it down. And the issue that it seemed to be, if I can bring it up, is the Armory Crate Service Utility. So this is one that's required to run different lights and whatnot. But if we have a look at the Asus video regarding this, it also manages fan profiles. So we've got GPU load, it manages power saving, and assumably a slight bit of underclocking. So what it looks like is, even with this particular program running at apparently optimum or peak performance, or full performance, excuse my message tone, that this program still cripples it enough that even stock Windows will run it faster than having this service/utility running on the computer. So the short summary of this is, if you're having performance issues, or you feel like you're having a bit of performance issues with your Asus FX505, try installing the Armory Crate utility and see how you go from there. Anyway, I hope this helps you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.